Matt, I'm a squirrel. And, oh my god, my voice. This is knuckle ring. Oh my god. My BFF said that she totally loves the video of me vacuuming my hair, which I still have not put up on YouTube. And her stalker is like hanging off of me via online. So annoying. And now she's making little weird-eyed face things at me. And yeah, it's kind of creepy. I really don't know. And his stalker says that I won't give him anything. And I will not submit to his communist ways. And I sit in a dark corner. So, I hope you enjoyed the nice, let's see, video of us in the lake. Oh, my BFF wants me to go, and yeah, I don't know if she's going to think of it. Maybe she'll have more ideas. Too. My BFF. I can't believe I just said that. And by the way, people, this is my real voice. But I'm not using the, like, alter it besides my own voice. And yeah, it's pretty interesting. And I really don't know. So, if I can find Pip, I'll let you guys in the next video then. I don't know where he is. Let's see. So it's his BFF, not me. But her BS, stalker person, said that he wants to smoke right now. So, smoking is bad. And so today I don't have any more ideas, so I'm just gonna like, okay, bye.